Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to reset accessibility settings on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, so just swipe up to open it. Then locate and pick the settings. Now scroll down and go to General Management, which is here under Accessibility. Then pick Reset, so you will notice all reset options here, and go to Reset Accessibility Settings. It will erase all your accessibility settings, and you will have back the default ones. Related settings such as keyboard and font size won't be reset. Accessibility settings in downloaded apps won't be changed, and your personal data won't be affected. So if you want to do it, just tap on Reset Settings. You have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone, and all the accessibility settings will be deleted. So just tap on Reset. And as you can see, accessibility settings have been reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.